Find out about this 3000-year-old technique for treating rheumatoid arthritis and inflammation. Inflammation is your body's way of fighting an infection. However, arthritis and other autoimmune diseases trigger an inflammation even when there is no invader. Inflammation is sometimes caused by food allergies, stress, and long sitting hours. It is manifested through joint pain, stiffness, and flu-like symptoms like fever chills, fatigue, headache, and loss of appetite. The condition is usually treated with prescription medicine that relieve the symptoms. However, natural home remedies can provide a similar or maybe even better effect. Some of these have been used for more than 3000 years in India. We give you 8 Ayurvedic methods you should try. Number 1. Stress diary. Ayurvedic medicine is focused on treating the root cause of the problem. We should record the time we feel stressed. When you are stressed, your body sends off an inflammatory response. What causes your stress? Shut down the triggers to reduce the inflammation. Write down all the details of your body's response to stress. Is your body too stiff when you drink a lot of milk? This may help you determine whether you are intolerant to gluten, lactose, or soy. Number 2. Turmeric. It is a common remedy in Ayurvedic therapies. Turmeric is really efficient in the treatment of rheumatoid arthritis. Add it to your curry, sauces, or eggs. You can also make golden milk. To make golden milk, you need turmeric, milk, almond, coconut, and other plant sources, some freshly ground black pepper, and honey. First, heat up the milk and add in your honey and black pepper. Let it cool a bit and sweeten with honey. You will need the black pepper to improve the bioavailability of curcumin, the active ingredient in turmeric. Number 3. Ginger. It is another common remedy in Ayurvedic medicine. Ginger relieves joint pain thanks to its antioxidant and anti-inflammatory power. Use it to improve joint mobility, relieve pain, reduce swelling, or morning stiffness. You can also drink fresh ginger tea every morning. Number 4. Yogurt. About 60 to 70% of your immune system is located in the gut. Optimize the functions of your gut to prevent inflammation. Consume a lot of probiotics. And yes, yogurt is an excellent option. Number 5. Sleep. Do you sleep the nights with your eyes wide open? Your immune system needs enough time to repair itself, which is why you have to get your beauty sleep. Try to sleep at least 7 hours a day. Number 6. Self-massage. Give yourself a relaxing massage once in a while. A 10 to 20 minute massage will reduce the inflammation. Work your sore joints and muscles with warm oil of your choice. Do this before taking a shower. Number 7. Yoga, swimming, cycling. Patients with chronic inflammation stick to a moderate exercise routine. Yoga, swimming, and biking are good options. Exercise at least 5 times a week, preferably in the morning or before you go to bed. Number 8. Coriander, fennel, and cilantro. These herbs have a cooling effect and reduce inflammation. Add them to your favorite dishes and enjoy their benefits. Need an idea? Combine cooked chickpeas, turmeric, pomegranates, cashews, cilantro, and coriander. These methods have been used for over 3000 years. Experts in Ayurvedic medicine swear in their power. Find what works best for your health condition. You don't have to be sick to try something new. Optimize your overall health and watch your life change in a better way. Avoid sugar, processed foods, gluten, or pretty much anything that gives you inflammation. No soda as well.